Two, one. We're live, guys. How you guys doing today? It's Isaac, and today I have a video which is long awaited, which we are um, right. We came right back to, which is none other than ClickBank. So I want to say welcome to this tutorial, and I want to say I hope that you guys find success watching my videos on ClickBank because, once you get used to making your first sale or, making continuously sales after that, you can become really successful, and, you know, uh, doing affiliate marketing is pretty easy, all you got to do is just grab a product from a vendor and promote it, with a affiliate link, so or a hop link. So we're just gonna go and check our reporting. Go to reporting, then we're gonna go to sales and then analytics, and we're gonna check from year to custom, custom, and we're gonna go from let's go from let's just go from 1 year. So 1 year, okay, 1 year. So in 1 year, we're gonna check. I think I have to go to. Okay, here it is. All right, in 1 year, guys. So here it is. So these are my results for 1 year. Um, I wish it would show something like an average, but it doesn't show me the average amount of hops that I get. But like as you can see on two of them, they're like very good in getting hops, which is alpaline and Icaria belly juice, belly lean juice. So uh, that could push up the average a little higher. So I would say maybe 15 or 20 is my average hop. Some days I did 9. Some days I did well, most days I did 6. So 29, 6. Just though that could be my average. I'm just guessing. So today we're gonna go into the marketplace. So let's go into the marketplace. So we're gonna head over to the affiliate marketplace, and um, as as I said in the previous videos, you can check out top offers. Um, Top offers are the best performing offers, so that's where we're going today. We're gonna go to top offers. Let's see if there's anything new. Well, as usual, Alpine is still leading, or is still ranked number one, or is in the first, the top of the list. And Icaria Belly Juice is second, so I don't know, but they're the ones that perform the best, anyways. Third is Cortex C, and fourth is Prostadine, and then Glucose Trust, and Red Boost. then Prodentim, then Quietum Plus, then Cura Essentials, and so on. Okay, so I I would promote this time a new product called Wealth Manifestation Offer, taking the market by storm. So we're gonna promote this one. Um, it does have an upsell flow, a one time and a reoccurring. It has affiliate tools and it's mobile friendly. So this is gonna be the product of the day, guys. Wealth Manifestation Offer, taking the market by storm. And in the description it says brand new unique wealth manifestation offer is a conversion monster. Front end converts at more than 2%. Don't believe? Send some test. All right, so this is the one we're gonna promote. So we're gonna click on promote. We're gonna put in our oh man. Okay, I think it's Isaac 2301. I think that's what it is. Isaac 2301. And we're not gonna put a tracking ID. Are we a tracking ID? No, we're just gonna go in like that. So but we do want a tracking ID, but I just don't know. Actually, I think we just leave it like that. Okay, so it would form us a tracking ID. Yeah, so this is the hop link. I'm gonna put it in the description, and so um, you just have to do your research, guys. Like I'm very familiar with looking for products, so I have in my mind how it how a good product looks like when I see one. So I could and I'll give you an example. You look at the gravity score. In this case, the gravity score is 314, and uh, I know it's not really categorized as a high ticket product or affiliate product, but it does have reoccurring. So the reoccurring rebill is 1695. This seems like a very balanced and um, basic good product to promote. So who doesn't want wealth manifestation? Who doesn't want um, you know um, to get their first sale in something that has to do with wealth manifestation, basically. You know, so that's what we're gonna promote for now. I'm gonna tell you guys how it does in the reporting and analytics in a couple of days from now. So we're gonna get this uploaded on to our YouTube channel. You guys can watch this video from the beginning just to see how I went through the process of picking a product and looking at the results that I get through the previous products that I have promoted. And ClickBank is something that I suggest everyone sign up for. And I wish you guys luck on your first sales. And you guys can wish me luck on this wealth manifestation. Basically the first um, product of the month of May. Okay. All right, guys. So thank you guys for coming to this video. I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao.